In this session, we are going to discuss about how to read a Excel file in R. For this purpose, we are going to use these three packages: Read Excel, XLSX and Open XLSX. Hence, to use these packages, first you need to install these packages using this particular command install.packages and then packages name. Here, if you are not able to install these packages from Jupyter environment, in that case, you need to execute this particular command from the R session. Now, you can start this R session from your CMD or terminal, or you can run this command in RStudio as well. Let's see the first package, Read Excel. For this purpose, we need to load the library, means we need to load the package called Read Excel. Here, we are creating a variable called data, in which we will store the data that we are going to read from this particular file. Over here, first we have mentioned Read Excel, that is the package name or library name, then double colon and then its function read underscore Excel. The reason to do this is, let's say there are several packages which are providing the same function read underscore Excel to read an Excel file. In that case, if you are not using this particular nomenclature like package name, double colon, then function name, in that case it will be mass and it will be confusing for R that which function from which package to be utilized, and hence it's always a good practice to mention package name, then double gem and then function name. This way it will be clear to R that from which package which function to use for which purpose. Okay, then over here we have provided a relative path. So wherever your XLSX file is, based on that you can provide relative path, absolute path, or you can provide only a file name as well if your file, your XLSX file is in the same directory from where you are running the R script. And then over here we have printed first 3 rows of that Excel file. From the same package or library Read Excel, we have another function called read underscore XLSX to read the Excel file. Now, let's say if you want to get more help on this read underscore XLSX command or read underscore Excel command, in that case, you can utilize this command question marks, package name, double colon, function name. So over here, we want to get the help of read Excel command from this read Excel package. So that's why we have used this command, and you can see the output over here. So it will provide you all the details like what are the different parameters it is expecting. Okay, and not all the parameters are necessary to be provided. Based on the requirement, you can include or exclude some of the parameters. And apart from that, you can see over here that what is the meaning of those different parameters and what are their default values. And over here you will be able to see the examples as well, that how to utilize those functions. Next is XLSX package. Though I will not suggest to use this particular package because it needs Java to execute. It needs Java to be installed on your system. But apart from that, if you still want to utilize this XLSX package, then the command will be same like XLSX package, then it's read.xlsx function. Then we need to provide the file name. It can be absolute or relative path, and then we need to provide sheet index, means which sheet we want to read. And then over here we have print first 3 rows. And similar to above package, if you want to get more help, you can utilize this command. Next package is Open XLSX. Again, similar to other libraries or packages, we need to load this particular library Open XLSX. Then using its read.xlsx function, we will be able to read the Excel file. And over here again we need to provide absolute or relative path or even file name if you are working in the same directory. And over here we are printing first 5 rows. And over here, if you want to find more help, in that case, you can utilize this particular command. That's it for today. Thank you everyone for watching this video.